Hello, Namaste. Welcome everyone onto my educational channel. Today's our educational topic is Dosh Dhatu Mal Moolami Shariram. According to Ayurveda, the human body is sustained by three fundamental pillars. They are the Dosh, Dhatu and Mal. As stated in classical concept, Dosh Dhatu Mal Moolami Shariram. Health exists when these components remain in perfect balance. In this video, we will explore the true meaning, significance, and clinical relevance of these foundational Ayurvedic principles. Let's get started. Dosh Dhatu Malmulami Sharira. According to Ayurvedic physiology, the human body is essentially a functional conglomeration of dosh, dhatu, and mal. These three constitute the fundamental biological entities responsible for the sustenance and regulation of life. By maintaining mutual coordination and integration, they ensure the harmonious functioning of all bodily processes. Doshas are the dynamic functional entities, Vat, Pitta, and Kapha, that governs the and regulates the all physiological and psychological activities of the body. They represent the kinetic aspect of life responsible for initiation, transformation, and preservation of bodily function. For example, Vat is concerned with the regulation, coordination, initiation of the all microscopic and gross movement, and as well as acquiring and carrying the knowledge from different senses. While Pith is concerned with the digestion, metabolism, assimilation, and biological transformation, and Kapha is concerned with the strength, stability, growth, and development. So when dosa are in balance, they maintain health. When vitiated, they become the prime cause of diseases. That is why they are called as a Dushtikarta dosh, meaning those act as the Dushtikarta, the causative factor initiating imbalance or disease. They have ability to get visited by their own factor or other external factors and visit other dushya. So there is dhatu, mal, and so on. So without dosha involvement, there is no dos dushya samurchana and no vyadi. So that is why it is called as a dushtikarta. Now dhatu. Dhatu are the structural and nutritive component of the body, ranging from Ras to Sukra. They form the substratum of the body and are responsible for its growth, nourishment, and maintenance. Especially, Ras is concerned with the Prenan, Rakti is concerned with the Jivan, Mams is concerned with the Lepan, Med is concerned with the Snehan, Asti is concerned with the Dharan, Majja is concerned with the Puran, and Shukra is concerned with the Garbhodpadan. So they serve as the Dushya, the substrates upon which dosha gets act during pathological process. So in broad sense, dhatu represent the biological constitutive component of organs and tissues such as the heart, lung, liver, blood vessel, blood components, and so on. So dhatus bear and support and nourish the body. However, their functional expression is governed by the inherent biological energy present within them, which is nothing but dosha. So, while dosha is primarily a functional and physiological principle that cannot be directly visualized precisely, either microscopically or with the naked eyes. While the dhatu constitute the gross structural component of the body, observable at both microscopic and macroscopic level. So thus dhatus act as the functional apparatus through which dosa execute all physiological activities of living body. Just as pillars appear to support a building but actually rely on their internal strength to perform this function. In similarly, dhatu support the body due to the inherent functional potency imparted by the doshas. So when this internal capacity becomes weakened, the supportive function of dhatus is compromised. Mal. Mal refers to the unwanted byproducts of metabolic activities such as Mutra, Purus, Sved and Dhatu Mal. Mutra and Sved are considered as a Draumal of ingested food and Puris is considered as a Gun Mal. Dhatu Mal are produced after Dhatu Pak Kriya. Though excretory in nature, they play a vital role in maintaining internal balance and stability. So their retention or improper elimination disturb the equilibrium of those and dhatu. So now, what is the interrelationship and significance of those dhatu mal coordination in our body? Just as the root of a tree sustain and support its branches, the those dhatumal form the fundamental roots of the human body throughout the life. If the roots of a tree are damaged, the tree perishes. Likewise, when any of these three entities become deranged, the integrity of the body collapses. So they are not independent but interdependent and mutually sustaining components. Disturbance in one inevitably affects the others, disrupting the entire organism. So this dynamic equilibrium form the root principle of Ayurvedic physiology and pathology. So that health is the state of balance among those dhatu and mal and disease is the manifestation of their disequilibrium. Thank you.